Salom do'stlar, gaplar tuzib ingliz tilini o'rganishni boshlaymiz va birinchi gapimizda I like playing cricket.
Great work.
Yaxshi, ya'ni men kriket o'ynashni yaxshi ko'raman. Keyingi gapimiz get up.
Impressive.
Tur o'rningdan degani. Xo'p, she has four brothers and sisters.
You rule.
Ya'ni uni 4 ta akalari va opalari bor. Keyingisi demak Sarah likes swimming on sunny days.
Brilliant.
Ya'ni Sarah issiq kunlarda, quyoshli kunlarda suzishni yaxshi ko'radi. Keyingi gapimizda he came to my office.
Magnificent.
Ya'ni u meni ofisimga keldi degani. Keyingisi demak I don't like waiting in.
Outstanding.
Ya'ni men ochrat kutishni yoqtirmayman, navbat kutishni yoqtirmayman xullas. Xo'p, you hear it in the music.
Pretty good.
Ya'ni sen buni muzikani ichida eshityapsan. Yaxshi. What is your sister's name?
Good.
Yaxshi ketyapmiz. Ya'ni sening singlingning ismi nima degani? Xo'p, plants and animals survive emas ekan. Struggle to survive.
Correct.
Yaxshi, keyingisi he came here.
Fantabulous.
Yaxshi. Did I ask you?
Sweet.
Nima uchun did I ask you bo'ladi? Chunki did you bo'lganda did you ask me bo'lishi kerak. O'shaning uchun ham bu yerda did I ask you bo'ladi. Hop, are you angry with me?
Nice.
Seni mendan jahling chiqqanmi deyapti. Keyingisi the other is with.
You rock.
Yaxshi. Boshqasi jonsiz deyapti. Monday sounds good for the meeting.
You are improving.
Dushanba kuni uchrashuv uchun yaxshi. What did he ask you?
Good job.
Yaxshi. Va oxirgi gapimizni to'g'rilab kommentariyada yozib qoldiringlar.